be water damage. What you doing?
Contemplating life choices.
All right, today we will be taking out the trash from what we demoed the other day. And then I think we're going to focus on trying to get some of this wallpaper off. At least Miranda's going to do that. I'm going to be taking out the carpet in the living room slide. And then I'm probably going to move back to the RV and try to figure out that mirror. And hopefully I can get it out without too much damage to the wall or myself.
And we'll see how the wallpaper goes for me. I looked up a few ideas and I'm hoping it goes smoothly because there's a lot to remove. So let's get to it. Alright, so my research has shown that these are the 3 tools I need. A box cutter, utility knife, a paint scraper, and a blow dryer to get this wallpaper off. And the trick is that you take the utility knife and you score around the edges lightly, and then you kind of score sections, and then you use the paint scraper to peel off the corner, and then you just pull, and if you need to, you use the blow dryer to heat it up and it should come right off. So here we go. Let's see if it works. I haven't tried anything yet, so we will be finding out together. Alright, I've done some scoring. Now it's time to come in, see if I can peel off. That worked really well.
Alright, so I kind of cheated. I was supposed to start recording and I didn't, but I started ripping out the carpet. Great news is that it is not under the walls of the slide out. A lot of these RVs usually build the walls on top of the carpet, so we got like of course, in true fashion, I have all these tools, but that's what I do. Oh, looks like I have to grab different tools because these tools are also not working. So, I'll go right back inside. Okay. $8,000 staples.
Good news is the hairdryer actually does seem to be making the work a lot easier.
How's it going?
Not great.
Slow and steady.
It's taking me too long.
Huh?
It's taking too long. As predicted, this is a task that I'm not enjoying at all. It's taking forever. My hands, and my fingers, and my forearms are getting sore from pulling everything off the wall. And I've done only a tiny section. And there's still wallpaper everywhere. All in the slide out. All in the kitchen. And all in every wall in the bedroom. I don't understand.
What you doing?
Contemplating life choices.
Want to sell her?
How much will it cost to buy new panels?
Too much. And too much work.
I guarantee you it's faster than taking out all this wallpaper.
Well, no, because you got to take all the windows out, you got to take all the cabinets out, everything to
And your
repanels.
cabinets out anyways.
So maybe. Did you go get your spray thing yet?
No.
Oh. Why don't you try that? Why don't you go grab it real quick?
It's not going to make it faster.
The good news is when we were looking at buying an RV, one of the biggest things that would happen is they would buy an RV and they'd pull something out and be water damage. And these slide out awnings are not in the best of shape. One's actually missing in the back. This one's being held together by duct tape, but luckily under the carpet, everything looks good. Looks like there might have been a little bit of water over here, but it's still rock hard, nice and soft, and the rest of it looks pretty good. So I think I'm going to move to the back and give this mirror a go. Like I said, hopefully I don't cut myself or anything or break anything of importance. So I know it's going to break taking it out, so we're just going to start breaking it out. much glass everywhere. Might as well. Now that I'm done vacuuming with the world's tiniest vacuum cleaner. Yeah. I think that's it. Mirrors out. Gonna have to reinforce some of these nails, it looks like. And then we get this joy of trying to get this wallpaper off.